Hello and welcome back to another Honda Civic review and knowledge dump. So today we've got this really cool artwork that I did with a Sharpie marker, but actually what I'm doing right now is this is the gasket, I guess you would call it, that goes in between here. It's not meant to be blown up like that. Who the fuck knows why that happened, but I'm gonna try and find another one and then throw that bitch in there, tighten it up, and then I'll be good to go. Well, I found the problem. Look at this shit. Oh, you can't really see it. Anyways, yeah, there's a big crack everywhere. There's my boost leak. The longest part was trying to find this coupler. I had no idea, man. Like, this car is such a mess back there, so I just had to dig through everything, which is okay. But I've got it all connected. It's a little bit of a weird connection. I think it should work. Same kind of thing going on here. Weird connection, a little bit stressed out.